Here for the pack opening. This time it is a MLB candy pack opening. This one's a Icon Leadoff series, lineup 3. I've opened up a lineup 1 and a lineup 2. This one's a lineup 3. Hopefully we can get something good. Oop, let me turn that down. Alright, sweet. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna open it up, see what we can get our clips, rewatch them, and good to go. So let's get it. Ooh, I got a rare moment. Let's see what we get. Alright, get a few cores. Let's check out this uncommon first. JP Crawford, okay. Here's my rare. Iglesias. It's an alright pull, not bad. Alright, so we'll go to the collection. Let's watch the clip. Nice. Now let's check out the uncommon. Oh, sheesh. It's a bomb. Nice. So unfortunately, you only get clips with the rares and the uncommons. So I'll show the cores, but you'll see it's just like a card, just a still moment. Nothing serious with the cores. I mean, I can show you what I got last, well, it was a couple days ago on 5/15, so a few days ago. This was one of the plays of the day. When I buy plays of the day, it's usually like I aim for like historical moments or like big name players. If it's just like a random play that happened, like a big play that happened that day, I won't pick up that play. I'll just wait for something like this. Like this was like his 100th home run and something strikeout, like 200 strikeouts or something like that. What is it? Yeah. So stuff like this is worth buying. I also have a, where is it? Stanton. I only got that one because of the name. Kershaw. This one is actually worth money right now. So I spent $15 on this one right here. And right now it's worth like 50 or 60, which isn't much, but I mean it's something. So watch. Let's go back. Best way to look up these on this site, because it kind of sucks. Go to the marketplace, type this in, exact price, low to high, and boom. I paid 15 bucks for it. The lowest one is 55. Not bad. That's just on one play of the day. If I went through the whole collection, I'd have something nice. So NFTs, man, they're worth it. It's not a bad idea if you want to get into it. If you weren't sure about buying an MLB candy pack, I would recommend maybe just sticking to the plays of the day. Add your collection. They drop every day at 12 p.m. Eastern. So um, if you're interested, definitely grab packs, moments instead of packs. Packs are good. So if you go to the marketplace, I'm sure a lot of you people who are used to MLB candy, you'll see that you can buy packs. So if you list them from low, let's see, I'll type in icons. So an icon pack, the cheapest one is $19.99. They used to sell for $50, but now they're $30. And whoever bought them for $50, got airdrops. So I think people who got their airdrops, didn't want to open them, they just sold them so they can get some credit or whatever like that. But yeah, you can buy packs like this. I can buy this pack right now and open it, which I'm probably gonna end up doing if I don't end up getting any more packs through here. But it's a cool little concept, and you can definitely make money off it, so I think it's worth it. But that's it for now. I'm gonna hop off and play some more games with my buddy and call it a night. So wherever you're watching this, if you're watching this on Twitch or on YouTube after, thank you very much. Make sure you like the video. If you opened up a pack, let me know what you got. And until the next one, peace.